ang kulay nito. Ito, marami to sinasabi. Ang tawag nyo sa kanya ay JM Sasad. JM, ikaw ba talaga yan?
Hey, what's up, boxing fans? Good afternoon sa lahat.
JM, diretsahan na. Nako ha, mali
Ah,
yung prediction mo. Anong masasabi mo? Impress ka ba sa performance ni Casimero? Baka naman may masasabi ka pa.
yeah, of course, of course. Sinabi naman namin na if Casimiro has to do it, he has to do it early. 'Di ba? Sinabi ko naman na after 3 to 4 rounds, duduwal na 'yan, heading to the round 4. Totoo naman, dumuduwal na. So, 'di ba? Nangyari naman yung prediction namin. But we have to flip the coin na it's either Casimiro or Neri gets a stoppage, and Casimiro got the stoppage. Sabi naman namin ni attorney, in our heart we want him to win. We thought that Neri was going to win, and he got the job done. So in the end, good job for Casimiro, pero meron pa tayo isang himay na meron pa din yung Luber. Meron pa din yung Luber. Anyway,
Before you go to
ah,
Luber, mabilis lang kasi baka mag-live ka rin. Ako pagod na rin ako kanina pa. I just wanna ask you about, were you surprised na 3 beses agad-agad na pinabaksak si Neri? And yung strategy ni Neri, I don't know, what do you think about that kind of strategy ni Neri?
hindi nakakagulat na 3 beses pinagbagsak. Neri, didn't look like he was in shape. Of course, he wanted to get the job done as well. Janriel wanted to get the job done early. Pero the thing is, Janriel was in better shape. So if they were going to tangle in the early going, mapupunta talaga kay Janriel yun. But the thing is, we're going to have to give Casimero his flowers. 'Di ba? We're not going to take, when we make our
Okay,
prediction, it's always under the premise na these fighters are 100%. Kung nagpabaya si Neri, that's up to him. And
correct.
sa ngayon, Neri is the biggest name on Janriel Casimero's resume, and that's good for him. Guys, napadaan lang ako dito. I
Teka
don't mean
lang,
to hijack.
sorry. Pagkatapos nito, magla-live na ako. May 3 lang akong question sa'yo that I need to ask you about Casimero.
Ah, ah, ah.
The last 3 na to now, panalo si Casimero. Kumusta naman ang sa tingin mong masasabi mo sa coach ni Casimero? Maganda ba plano ni Jason?
Ewan ko kung anong plano niya. It's not like I heard from him. It's not like we've
Oh,
seen something different. Right? This is the
okay.
same Casimero that we've seen the past few fights. But the
Di
thing
ka
is,
believe?
yung styles ngayon, akma sa ginagawa ni Casimero. So, I
Okay.
don't know if he's done something different or if this is a different Casimero, but, pasok ngayon.
Mm. Now that panalo siya, naniniwala ka ba na papansinin na siya ni Naoya Inoue? Dapat ba siya maglaban ni Naoya Inoue? Ano yung next kanya? Panalo pa siya.
Well, I'll answer that later sa live ko.
Okay.
Kung okay
Galing
lang,
mo Naisa mo
I'll
ako.
have to reserve some
Okay.
for myself because I'm only
Oh, of
going live
course.
for an hour. Yeah.
Okay, alright. And siguro, wala na. Next na. Yung, kay Kenneth Luber, tanongin kita mabilis, tapos
Okay, sige.
i-reserve mo rin yung iba sa'yo. Kenneth Luber, um, what do you think is the main difference in the fight of Kenneth Luber? Natalo siya ngayon, umabot ng 12 rounds.
Mm.
Anong pagkakaiba sa huling
Al-
mga laban niya?
Alam mo, brother, sinabi naman namin eh. 'Di ba? Just like what we said do sa Casimero, it's either Casimero gets it done early, or if it drags on, it could go to Neri. Either way, it's not going to the scorecards. Sa case ni Kenneth Luber,
Luber.
he has to get it done via stoppage, early to mid round, or if it drags on, it's going to Angeletti. Medyo foreseen eh. Now more than ever, pinakakailangan niya si Alex Arisa, and Alex Arisa was not in camp for this fight. He was not on his corner. And nakita
Mhm.
natin maganda yung technique, maganda yung galaw ni Kenneth. However, he was not able to sustain it. Kasi nung una nakikita natin hindi makasabay si Angeletti doon sa pace niya.
Napabaksak pa
But
nga niya eh.
he was unable to, again, he was unable to sustain. And as I always say, wala namang kwenta ang skill mo at kaya mo at alam mo sa boxing, if you do not have the stamina to perform, then it's not going to hold up. And ayun yung nangyari kay
So,
kay
last 2
Neri.
question lang. Magpapaano
Sorry,
na rin
kay
last
Kenneth.
last 2 question kay Kenneth. So, is it safe to say that are you saying that condition is the concern for this fight?
Oh yeah, I think both, for both fighters, that was the key. Yung conditioning talaga. If it goes the distance, sabi namin Angeletti will probably win the scorecards. 'Di ba?
Oh.
If Casimiro doesn't get it done in the early going, Neri is probably gonna get it done, the second half of the fight. But ang
Okay.
problema, itong si Neri, mas pabaya pa pala kaysa doon sa boxer natin. So,
Oo nga.
what can we do? Right? Again,
Walang
we
depensa
predict
eh.
we predict and we analyze on the basis that, on the premise that they go into this fight 100%. Guys,
Okay.
sorry, I have to, kasi tinatawag na ako ng partner ko.
Oo, sige.
Yeah, you can just feel free
Salamat.
to watch. Oo.
Sa JMC Assets, paring ano po, mag-end na rin ako para doon nyo po i-bash si JM.
Yo, sparring
Wag
sessions
dito.
live by JMC Asat. Yeah, you can just go ahead and join the
Okay.
conversation.
I respect your opinion. Panalo ko ngayon. Paldo ko. JM, thank you very much.
Rick, pumusta ka? Namumusta ka pala? Pumusta ka dyan, Red?
Pag feeling ko, yes. Medyo malaki-laki yan.
Okay. Well, that was a good one. That was a good bet, if I may say. Sige, brother, maraming salamat.